Hi everyone, this is a little tutorial for your monologue, your oral exam that you will be doing this first trimester. Okay, so in the monologue, the objective is that you express your opinion. Okay, I want to see your fluency and how you organize your ideas. So I give you some photographs. You don't have the photographs beforehand, you have them in the moment when we meet. And you take a minute to look at them, to get some ideas. And there is a question with the photographs. We'll see an example in a moment. You must speak on your own about those photographs for about 2 minutes. Okay, just so you know, if this is a B1 exam, you have 3 minutes. In a B2 exam, or C1 exam, you have 4. It seems like a long time, but trust me, it goes very fast. If you speak a little bit longer than 2 minutes, that's okay, but please try to stick to this time for organizational reasons. Show me all the lovely English that you know, variety of vocabulary, tenses. Organize your ideas clearly. Don't worry if you get confused, but don't speak any Spanish, please. So now we continue with the rest. This is an example of something, a general topic maybe you could have in the speaking exam. And this is what I would say to you. I would say, hi, these are your photographs. They show different methods of communication. Comment on the photographs and what you can see in them, and then tell me which method of communication, in your opinion, is the best and why. Okay? And then I give you a minute to think, and then you can start. Okay? Remember, this is not a false, practiced, rehearsed piece of speaking. This is natural speaking. Imagine we are having a coffee somewhere and you are giving me your opinion based on the photographs you can see. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I correct you, my criteria, and some phrases you can use, and then I'll give you an example. So this is what I correct you on, the functions and connectors. It's very important when you speak in English to connect your ideas with these words and, but, so, because, and then you can speak for a bit longer using all your ideas. Please be careful with the grammar and vocabulary. I don't want to hear the typical mistakes, for example, different peoples, no, different peoples. Third person, he thinks, she is, it, likes, for example. And fluency. Fluency is really, really important to practice. Fluency is that you can express your ideas clearly without pauses. Okay, pauses are okay, not a problem, but the problem is when we are like that. That's not what we want, really. If this happens to you, don't worry. Here are some strategies you can use. These phrases help you with expressing your opinion, giving extra information, correcting yourself if you make a mistake, or buying time. If you think in this, ay, qué nervioso estoy, qué mal me va a salir esto, qué mal se me da inglés, qué mal todo. Okay, stop that. Stop that. That's not true. It's just your anxiety telling you that you need to do well. Just take your time. It's okay to wait. Take a breath. Please, let me think a moment. Just a moment. That's a good question. Or, oh, this is difficult for me. I don't know. And in that short time, you can organize your ideas and think just a little bit. So a quick example now of a good oral monologue. So, hi Louise. As you can see, we have some photographs on methods of communication. In the first photograph, I think it looks like an Instagram chat or a chat in a social network. In the second photograph, this is WhatsApp. Everybody has WhatsApp. It's the biggest messaging platform in the world. You can also communicate, as in this example, with emails. I think really that's more for professional situations. You don't really send emails to your friends or your family. But I think in a work situation, it's very useful. But personally, I think the best way to communicate with a person is face-to-face. I mean, it depends on the situation. I think if you have a personal problem with a friend or a romantic partner, family member, then WhatsApp or Messenger can cause misunderstandings and communication problems. So if you take your time and speak to somebody face to face, it's much better, and you can solve problems very quickly. But sometimes we don't have the time to meet people. Everybody is very busy nowadays, so it's normal for us to use messaging platforms like WhatsApp. They're okay, they're fast, efficient. You can send a voice message or a short message or with an emoji if you like. But we need to be careful that our friends and family know we have the time for them. And sometimes in a professional situation, it's okay as well. But I think face-to-face is very powerful and communicative way. Bueno, ahí la he dejado. No es un mal ejemplo. Me he apoyado en las fotos, como habéis visto. Es una buena estrategia para no quedarse en blanco. Así ya nos da una estructura a las ideas. Podemos volver a comentar alguna cosa. No hace falta que sea de organización perfecta. Podemos equivocarnos, corregirnos, etc. Pero recordad, mi objetivo es que demostráis todo el inglés que sepáis y que queremos llegar a un nivel de fluidez decente para lo que requiere este ciclo. Mucha suerte y mucho ánimo, y si necesitáis una tutoría, ya me decís. See you later. Bye.